Let me show you in this video how to reset your MacBook. I want to delete everything from this MacBook because I have purchased the new one, MacBook Pro. Now let's get back into this job. So first of all, click on this Apple icon, go to the system settings, and inside the system setting, go to the journal and scroll down, and you can click on the transfer or reset. And then from here you need to click on erase all content and settings. One more thing, make sure you log out from your Apple ID. I'll just sign out first. This is the step number one you should do. Then once again I'll go to the journal. Inside the journal you have this transfer or reset, and then erase all the content, and here it will ask you for the password. Now I'll just type it down like this. Not now. Let me just remove this thing first. I will forcefully quit this erase assistant because I was trying to reset this before. But for you, step would be like this. Once you are in a journal and look for this transfer or reset, erase all content. Once you click here, you need to type down your MacBook password, whatever you have here, and after that it will show you all these information will be deleted. Continue, and here you need to add the password. Okay, my ID password is, I think, I'm typing my password. It's done. Let's see if it works or not. I'm not sure about my password. Okay, so it sent me a code here. Let me check the code. Okay, the code is 812459, and here we go. Erase all the content and settings. Yep. Now this system is actually gone. So that's all, guys. I mean, there's nothing else you can do. It will just load, and once the process is done, it will be totally fresh. It will start from beginning. That's it. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Let me pause the video so I could show you what's happening. Okay, so here you can see everything is done. It deleted everything, and it will start from beginning. That's it, guys. Thanks so much. Now it started loading. Okay, let me just show you that hello sign. Let me just pause. So here you can see it's done.